Okay, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can free up storage on your iMac by deleting photos and videos from your Messages app on your computer here. So first thing that you're going to want to do is go up to the top left corner to where that Apple icon is. Click on that. Then click on System Settings. Then it'll come over here to General. Click on that. Then you're going to want to click on Storage. All right, and then here in storage, you'll see it starts calculating what's taking room on your computer. Right here's the Messages app. I got 10 gigs, so I'm going to click on that. And then it brings up all the messages and video that are taking up room by size. So what you want to do is click on that very first one. Then you're going to want to go to your keyboard and click on Command A. And when you do that, it selects all of them, and then you'll hit delete. And then it'll confirm, you'll hit delete. Now you're gonna wanna do this a few times after it deletes this. Do it again, and Command A again. You gotta do it multiple times. I don't know why Apple doesn't let you do it all at once, but as you can see, I had 10 gigs. Now it's down to 7 gigs there. So just keep doing that. That's how you free up storage, by deleting pictures and video off of Messages on your iMac.